Hello friends. I'm Khalil from AI-GENIX, and I warmly welcome you to our channel. We are launching a special video series on mango cultivation. Mango farming is evolving. Are you ready for the change? Mango is the king of fruits. But today, mango farming is under pressure. Despite more sprays, more fertilizers, and more effort, profits are shrinking. What worked in the past no longer works in modern dense orchards. Why? Hidden pests are destroying crops before damage is visible. Diseases return year after year. Pesticide residues block access to export markets. This is not a farmer problem. It is a system problem. And system problems need system solutions. Welcome to the AI-GENIX Mango Master Series, a step-by-step professional guide, from orchard planning to residue-free export harvest, built on science-driven non-chemical management. What the series covers. We will show you how to choose the right plantation system, why some varieties fail and others succeed, how canopy design controls pests and diseases, why orchards collapse in year 5 to 6, how to stop pests before they enter the crop, how to control diseases without chemicals, and how to produce export-grade mangoes consistently. Who this series is for? This series is designed for progressive farmers, FPO leaders, exporters, agri-consultants, policymakers and institutions. This is not a spray schedule. This is not guesswork. This is a future-ready mango production system, enabled by the science and field experience of AI-GENIX. The future of mango farming goes beyond chemicals. It is preventive, précise, and driven by artificially intelligent integrated pest and disease management. We will be back shortly with Episode 1, Mango Farming Today, Challenges and Opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with fellow farmers and subscribe to our channel. We will soon be launching a series of episodes on the cultivation of multiple agricultural crops, sharing practical knowledge on precision management that helps achieve maximum benefits for growers, consumers, and the environment.